Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how you can make this trending crop tops from an old legging. I've had this idea of crop top on my Pinterest for a while now, so I just decided to create it with an old legging of mine just to save money. So now I'm using 16" as the length of the first crop top, which is the COWL auto neck crop top. So that has been one of my new fave crop top I've been seeing online, so I just had to create it for myself. So now I'm going to open the crunch area before I start working on the neck area. On another note, quickly, if today is your first time on my channel, please hit the subscribe button down below before you leave. In fact, I think you should just do it now. Thank you. So now I'm just going to cut out this old crunch out for folding in the neck area. So that's what I'm doing. I'm cutting from the back side because the back side is longer. So this shape I'm cutting out is what I'll use to turn the neck area. So that's what I'm just doing now. So this is how it looks like. So now I'm just going to remove this crunch area completely. It serves no purpose because this is going to be the back part of this top. So I'm just gonna roll it and then cut it out. I'm going to go further down the video to make it more fitting, but for now I'm just cutting it like this. So just keep watching, you'll see the trick of doing this. Now I'm just going to fold the neck area with this part that I cut out. First of all, like I always say, pin it down before you sew so that you have a perfect stitch. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm pinning it down inside out, so that's very important, so that you get a good front part. Now I'm just going to sew it like this and then turn it inside, pin it down again, and then sew. So this is just like a neat way to put the hole where you put the strap. So this is what it's going to be. After you pin it, now you're going to sew it. It's so simple. Yeah, voila, this is how it's looking. Now it's ready for a strap. So this is me putting the final neck to back fitting, which is just a simple slant. That is it. The back is ready. Now for final fitting, I'm just using this tank top of mine that I love the fitting to excess from this material. So I'm going to cut out the excess from the side and then the down. I deliberately cut out the down part because I didn't want it to look as if I made it top from a legging. The whole idea is to have something trendy without looking as if I got it from something else. So this is it after sewing. So this is the fitting. Now next I'm just going to put in the strap, but before then let's just use one part of the leg area to create the second crop top. So that's what I'm doing now. Just open this side. The good thing about this is that the top part is bigger than the down part, which makes it fit perfectly to the woman's body. So there's no extra work. I'm minusing 7 for strap and taking it to 18". Definitely after sewing it's going to reduce to like 17. It depends, you can make it 15 if you want. So that's what I'm doing now. The top part is for the bust area, the down is for the waist. So you see, it comes in perfectly, almost as if legging is made for such crop top. So now I'm aiming the sides to make it look neater. So this is it. Next I'm just going to use the down of the legging to do the strap. So it's almost everything is just so ready for me in this tutorial. Like I'm not doing anything extra, just using what I have to get what I want. So I'm just putting in, this is 1.5 inch the length that I'm putting in now on all the side. You can decide to ignore the down parts because sometimes you might use it, sometimes you might not. So, but I just want to put it in case when I will need to use it. So put in the other side too. So this is it after putting the strap hose. Now I'm going to cut for the straps. I'm just going to use this other part. Yeah, practically. So now I will join and then fold to create the strap. This is it. I've shown a video of how to do this many times, so you're not ready. Now I'm just going to fit in the strap on both sides. So simple, like this. Now watch closely on how you can fit. So it's just do it like this. This strap at the top is 7-inch, like you know, I minus 7-inch, so you can make it 6 or 7 depending on to be, then crisscross it to the back. If you're enjoying this video so far, please just give this video a thumbs up. I really appreciate, and leave me a comment down below on what you think about this video. I just want to hear from you, which state you are watching from, country you are watching for. Really, I will appreciate if you leave a comment down below. So this is it. Now I'm going to put the strap with safety pin on the first top, which is the COWL auto neck crop top. So this is it. It's so easy. Yeah, so this is ready for wearing. Yep. So thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe before you leave. We really love to hear from you guys. Thanks so much for watching. See you on my next video. Bye for now.